So good morning Kapamates, good morning sa lahat. Time check is 6 AM in the morning. As you can see Kapamates, approaching tayo ngayon dun sa area kung saan gaganapin yung tree planting activity na inline sa trabaho namin. So together with my wife and my kids, punta kami dun sa area para mag tree planting. So sabi pa nga nila, go green. So plant more trees now. So as you can see Kapamates, yan yung daanan papunta dun sa area. Muddy area since umuulan kasi ngayon dito sa amin, so the combination of rough road, downhill, uphill and loose gravel. So good thing na naka-espresso tayo na at the same time yung espresso natin is modified na into rugged loops. So, every time umaalis kami ng bahay, Kapamates, together with my wife and kids, so dala talaga namin yung kagamitan namin like foldable chair, camping box. Since may side owning na tayo, so if ever mag long drive kami, if ever napapagod na ako or napapagod na yung wife ko mag-drive, so hanap kami ng spot, buklatin yung side owning tent. In just a couple of minutes, pahinga, take pictures, take videos, take memories, something like that, Kapamates. So yan lang, Kapamates. Sundan nyo lang yung video until the last part and see to appreciate. So sa lahat, Kapamates, thank you so much and ride safe. Thank you.
A few moments later.